Hello, this is Jason, and I am here at the KoHa Kitchen, and I've seen good reviews for this on Google, and there's a beef stew and some beef spring rolls that I want to try out. So let's go check it out. All right, the food has arrived, and it looks amazing. Some beef stew and some beef spring rolls with some noodles and various vegetables, a little banh mi, baguette, lime, and some, I'm guessing some kind of fish sauce maybe for dipping. All right. Hopefully the music we're playing here doesn't get me a copyright strike on the video. Ooh, these are hot. Mmm. Very, very good. Big ol' humps of beef in there. Big ol' carrot in this beef stew.
Fish sauce, some not too much, mix together with dry noodle.
Okay, dump it on there?
Yeah, not too much, you try first.
Okay, yeah, I dipped it, it's good.
Yeah. Okay, try going.
Thank you. Very nice people. Mmm. Keep going, you can do it. Mmm. Potato. Mm. Hard to get. Mm. Mm. Beef spring roll. Very good, very good. Well, so far in Southeast Asia, Vietnam's ranking up towards the top of my favorite food, cuisine. There's a lot more things that I think I like as far as Vietnamese food goes than the other places I've been, even Thailand. And I love me some like Pak Pao and certain dishes, tom yum, som tam. Oh, there's the chicken soup that I love. Drawing a blank. Okay. Khao soy. I love me some khao soy. Kind of a sweet and sour fish sauce. It don't taste like fish. It's kind of like salty and sour. Get a spoon and scrape out the peanuts. The cut of beef here is a little extra fatty. They seem to like extra fatty stuff here, which I did too. Like, you know, ribeye was my favorite cut of steak, but after I realized I've ulcerative colitis, I can't really eat super high fat diet. I'll just eat around with that. Great bread in Vietnam too. Years of a French occupation has one positive side effect. The bread's not really common in Thailand. Just a rice and noodles. There's another big little fatty piece. Delicious. Tea's good too. No complaints. All right, well, I'll meet you up front with the final bill total and verdict. So see you there. All right, so that was the KoHa Kitchen. Very chill place, great atmosphere. Even though it is a little hot outside, they turned a fan on for me. Cool music, and the food was delicious. And it was $7.38 for everything you see me eat, which was basically 2 meals. So I would recommend it. Come check it out. And that's all I got for now. So talk to you later. Take it easy.
Don't even think about it.